We make sure that they use that as a tool. It's part of the Microsoft 365 suite. A student can decide, I'm going to do a PowerPoint presentation for my end of year project, or I can do a Minecraft work. That's how we look at it.
I better reset this time. I did
yes.
last time.
Make sure we reset that.
Yeah, so no problem. So this is a Bebot, which teaches kids the basics of coding. And they have these parkours that they can do, for example.
So they can work on scale, they can work on directions, coordinates. The best part is that it works with instructions or combination of colors. We've been recreating like small live CDs, for example, and for the younger students, it gives them that confidence of working with programming.
Fast, now it goes fast. That's amazing, yeah.
Always try to find ways to combine these two worlds. Music and technology are they're connected in a very deep way. So my students always find it funny because I try to make the connect tools. And the other day, I was speaking with the music teacher and programming, coding, what can we do about it? This is the Sphere. It's a bit more advanced robot. We need to actually do block programming with it. There you go. After I connect it, it's got two rotors, right? The idea is that based on the rotation speed, it creates a buzz. And that buzz will create melody. So let's see if you recognize this one.
Oh.
So now they only need to go there, try to unconventionally do music notation, right? And it's this what makes sense, right? When you start combining areas that shouldn't be combined or nobody combined it before, that's where the Portuguese company, they did the best. Very easy for the students to manipulate. We've been working on this project. One of our first projects was merchandising for the school. They will 3D designing is done online. Everything is online tools. Very easy, safe. They just log in with the school's account. They drop in their. They learn how to cut and paste
the blocks.
The blocks. They learn shapes. How shapes are, what they do. They can build in Minecraft. We can export it and print it as well. You go from the physical to the digital and pack again all the time.
This is very useful.
This is
You
crazy.
can have that.
When they break toys.
Because you can print any Lego brick you want.